We'll guide you through how to fix the issue of not being able to see the cursor in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop and access the document where you're experiencing the issue. Sometimes, this problem can happen because of a browser glitch. So, you need to refresh the page by clicking the refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard. If refreshing doesn't help, try clearing your browser's cache. Go to your browser settings and look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data or Clear Cache, and follow the prompts to clear it. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and open Google Docs again to see if the issue is resolved. Another possibility is that you might be using extensions that interfere with Google Docs. To check this, open your browser's Extensions or Add-ons menu and try disabling them one by one. Each time you disable an extension, refresh Google Docs to see if the cursor appears. If you find one causing the issue, you may want to remove it or keep it disabled while using Google Docs. In some cases, the issue might be related to the browser itself. Try using a different browser to open Google Docs and see if the cursor becomes visible. If you're using Chrome, you could try Firefox, Edge, or Safari to see if the problem persists. These steps usually solve the problem, but if you're still facing issues, consider updating your browser or checking for system updates, as sometimes these can fix underlying compatibility issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.